Hello, welcome to Thursday, November 5th. It is our last day in Module 7. Let's see what we have to do today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. We have quite a few activities to do for this weekend. The first one is a Schoology discussion. You are going to read this whole thing first, and what you're going to do is you're going to choose one of 3 topics for your problem solution essay. Okay, so you have the topics here and a little description about each. So you will choose one and in the comment section explain why you chose that particular topic. The second async activity is in My English Lab Mel. It's very important that you all do this activity. Many of you are not doing it, so it is very helpful to improve your reading and your grammar skills. And you will do 2 activities with reading in Mel. Your third activity is because. So you are going to open the document. Remember on yours, it says My Document. And you will make corrections if there needs to be a sentence that needs correction. Okay, if there isn't a correction, just leave it alone. Okay, and when you're done, you click Submit. After you click My Documents, be sure to click Edit when your document shows up. All right. Your next async activity is to read Achieve 3000 article right on the money. All right. A lot of you made a lot of improvements. Be sure to do the activity within 26 minutes. If your score didn't improve or it improved a little bit slow, like you read 20 articles and you moved maybe 5 points, that may be because you are spending a lot of time on the activity. So it's important to do it in 26 minutes. Okay, and some of the focus, fact and opinion, and also since then. Okay, so there's some explanation about that here. And your final async, remember this is for the weekend, so you have time, is making a budget. So you are going to talk about a strategy, right? Something you want to do, put the word because and the reason why. So the example, I will say $5,000 in the next year because I want to put a down payment on a house. So what financial goals do you have in general? Okay, it could be saving, it could be spending, it could be, and just give the reason. And click submit, and that's it for async. It is Thursday, so we have class together on Zoom, and it is our big class because we have our Spark breakouts. So what we're going to discuss is the 3 topics for our problem solution essay, and we'll do a practice with present perfect progressive, and then we'll get into the Spark breakouts. And that's it. Good luck.